And I want us to talk about this because a lot of us are struggling to make ends meet as women. Some of us are stay-at-home moms, and there's a lot of untapped potential in the tech market that we really take for granted. So one of the things that you need to do, or one of the businesses that you need to set up, it is start a self-care subscription business. These self-care subscription businesses are very good or are booming right now because people or women have come to realize, actually mostly women have come to realize that they really need self-care. We're in an era where like self-care is very or much valued compared to like in the 90s. Since from 2015, self-care is being preached from Monday to Friday. You will not go via any social media channel and you will not find a self-care product or subscription business. So you need to venture in these businesses. It might be a candle, it might be a face mask, they might be facial scrubs, anything out there. And the good thing with subscription is these are for example, put something in a box and you offer in different types, like for example a candle, a face mask, a body scrub, a face scrub, and then someone or your customers subscribe, so that like you'll be sending the packages either quarterly or annually or biannually. Start a PR business. PR businesses are good because out here there are a lot of people who are struggling with public relations, might be business-wise, career-wise. People want to know or to talk way better, so people want to get better public speaking skills. So as a woman, you'll do very nice with you having a PR agency or having a PR subscription business or having a PR business, because people want those services offered to them. You'll want to have a hair tool subscription business. As I had stated previously, you need anything to do with beauty and self-care. People are really getting into it right now. It is a trend right now, and I don't think like it is something that is a wave that is gonna come and leave. I think it is here to stay. So you wanna start a hair subscription business, because hair tool subscription business, because Black women are looking for hair care products. That is things like shampoos. People are looking for things like bonnets. People are looking for things like anything to do with your hair colors that are very melanin based or that are very melanin friendly. So such products tend to do very good because like for example, for the Black women, it is some of these tools are not out there, so people are looking for tools or for products that favor the Black woman. And also start a skincare line. This goes without saying, everyone right now is about taking care of their skin, having a good sunscreen, having a good anti-aging cream, having a good moisturizer, having a good AM or PM routine. Anything to do with skincare, trust you me, it sells. But now the problem is, what skincare products favor the Black woman? That is where most of us like fail, and to tap like kind of these markets, because most of these products are not very Black woman or melanin sensitive. So you really need to sit down and get or make products that really venture or that really favor the Black woman. Food delivery services. This is not your typical Uber, Glovo, whatever is out there in any country. Businesses or food delivery services, maybe in your local area or your type of cuisine. You'll find like if you're in any other part of the world and you're African, you really struggle to get African-based food. If you're in Italy, it is very hard for you to find any type of African cuisine. So if you're out there and like in your area, like there is an untapped business for any type of food that you're very good in, why not like make it a business? Media agency. Right now, social media is booming. People are making millions of money via social media. But the problem is, we do not have a lot of social media agencies, and they come in hand because they help you grow your social media following. We have people in Upwork, we have people in Fiverr who are providing these services. So, and I want to do a video later about what services you can offer on Fiverr without you having to have a lot of basic knowledge. But if you go like in places like Upwork and Fiverr, you can always have, if you have knowledge or you want to do a social media agency business, you will definitely can offer your services there for a certain amount of money. Another business that you can start as a woman, and it is, you do not need a lot of capital, adult education company. The reason why people these days are really so much into adult education company is because right now people are all about learning skills, languages, branding, businesses, and they do not want to go and pay an arm and a leg in a college to get their masters. So for example, if I specialize in sales and marketing, but I am more into digital marketing, right? If I want to get these skills, I would rather go in to Google and have a Google class, or go into an adult education company that teaches about skills, marketing skills, that is anything to do with SEO, Google Ads, SME, other than me going back to college and having another, like I'll spend another 2 years having a master's degree. You need to have a business that is centered on hair care brand for babies. Reason why it is a small business but it can make you a lot of money, it is because, one, as mothers we are looking for products that are very baby friendly, and this is because sometimes when you have a newborn or when you have an infant, kids react too much. Like for example, my baby is acne prone, so I'm so sensitive on what I put on her body or her hair, because I do not want to put something that is reactive. So if you have any product that is centered mostly on hair care brand for babies, or actually even oils, baby oils, massage oils, the normal body oils, anything that is hair care or oil care based brand for babies will make you money, because babies are very sensitive and people want to really take good care of their babies. You can also start a business centered on social impact business. Social impact businesses are businesses based on things like motherhood. The reason why social impact businesses are booming right now is because when, like for example, mothers are going through postpartum depression, or when your mother, you really need kind of support group to take you through that stage of your life. So if you have a business that is centered on social impact businesses, and you know that you can come through for a certain niche of people, could be motherhood, could be fatherhood, it will make you good money, because sometimes people really want to be in a group where they really understand each other, they think a lot, they can talk about a lot of aspects of their lives. So anything to do with social impact, any business to do with social impact, trust you me, it will make you good money. The last business you need to venture in with zero capital: start a YouTube channel. Like right now we're here, right? So YouTube channels, definitely, like you need a zero experience to start a YouTube channel, and as you grow you learn things here and there. And definitely the only way you can monetize or you can get money via YouTube channel is passing the qualification and you being now monetized to being to going into the YouTube what is it called, into the YouTube partnership program with YouTube. And by the way, it is less of a struggle, but let me tell you, as much as it is, people think sometimes it is so strenuous. The thing is, when you get used to putting out content out there, it is so easy for you. You do not to think you don't need to think a lot about the numbers, because eventually you will get there. Like nothing much about the numbers, but it is one of those businesses that actually people are making a lot of money out of it with zero experience. You do not need any skills to be on YouTube. Everything like YouTubers do, like they learn over time and you grow over time. Like for example, myself, the way my videos were a year ago, they are not the same like today. So the more I grow and the more I get into this space, the more I understand the specs of what needs to be there and what does not need to be there. So that was about it, you guys. Thank you so much for being here, and until next time, bye.